Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and if it's turned off, just click on your earbuds at the device list, and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset, so put your earbuds to the charging case, and now they are disconnected from your phone, so then remove it from the charging case, and click on it at the device list. And we have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, just click on it at the device list. And again, we have connection. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you just put your earbuds to the charging case and then quick tap 7 times on one of the earbuds, and then the LED light start blinking blue 4 times, and then 7 times on the another one. So let's make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, as you can see, it blinking 4 times here, and now the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, we have the same. Now, remove it from the charging case, and firstly, we should remove it from the phone. So click information icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on Android, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!